In this video, you'll learn how Sheet F and J outlets are made by Interpower Corporation. Pellets of resin are dried to 0.02% moisture content in the molding machine's dryer. The resin is then fed down a barrel via a steel screw, causing friction and heat. The hot resin is now injected into the mold cavity of an IEC 60320FJ outlet. Once molded, the outlets drop onto an automated conveyor belt leading to an automated cell. A sensor in the automated cell stops the belt, allowing a cell camera to relay outlet axis coordinates to the robotic grabber. A spooled wheel of electrical contacts are fed to a punch, allowing proper insertion and seating of the contacts in the outlets. The contacts are then tested with force to ensure they are properly seated. The automated arm drops the finished IEC 60320 Sheet F or J outlet down a chute and into a box for additional stock. With the investment in automated processes, Interpower Corporation can manufacture quality electrical components for companies that need parts fast. Interpower's 1-week manufacturing lead time and same-day shipments on stock components means Interpower has the ability to be an extension of your warehouse. Contact Interpower today to learn more.